What's up everyone, this is Jason here to let you know that this Saturday, December 14th of 2013, Stryker Paintball and Airsoft Field will be having their grand opening at 9 o'clock. Just to let you guys know. In the video information, we're going to actually give you the address and the telephone number, just in case if people get lost, not a big deal. Along with myself, Zephyr Paintball will also be there as well. We are both going to have booths there, and let's just say we both got a few things up our sleeve. But, not going to tell you what they are. You want to find out what we'll be doing? Possibly what we're giving away? Who knows? I definitely recommend, if you can do it, move your schedule around, change the dates on your calendars. Definitely show up today for the on Saturday from the grand opening of Stryker Paintball and Airsoft. We're both going to have tents there. You're both going to be able to be. We're both going to be easily found. I hope to see some of my new subscribers. I hope to see some old subscribers and some old friends. You never know. So until it's this Saturday, this is Jason announcing the grand opening of Stryker Paintball on Saturday. Can't wait to see you there.